Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the Adro real carbon fiber spoiler. I went ahead and I got the full kit, so we're going to be doing this maybe a 3 to 4 part series video, so that way it doesn't get too long. As you guys know, I've been pushing the Genesis 2022 facelift program across different companies. So I already had the M&S America, as you guys saw. Now we're going to go ahead and switch everything to carbon fiber by Adro. We do offer this at Tuner Goods, and I can give you some special pricing if you order through me, of course, and we can discount some of it from the MSRP that you see on the website on Adro. So definitely pretty cool. They went ahead and sponsored me on that part as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do the full program with them, and let's go ahead and get started. So we'll start off with the spoiler. As you guys can see, this is like a little mini kickback spoiler on here. I'll take a different angle from the back side as I move the car forward, so that way you can kind of see it, but it has like a little angled kickback. I really like it because it's very simple, and it's not so aggressive. It's just enough. As you guys are aware, the Genesis G70 facelift 2022 model, it has kind of like a little duckbill already built into the actual trunk. So something too aggressive, I think, will throw it off. So I think this little spoiler Adro did a very great job in that perspective. So let's go ahead and get started. I already went ahead and I already aligned the spoiler. You want to go ahead and follow the curvature this way of that body line. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this just a little bit more, kind of move there, but that's the body line you're gonna follow down this way on the trunk, and then on the opposite end, same thing, nice and centered. This is a 3M based. They do provide some adhesion promoter type of thing, so you want to go ahead and clean the area where the adhesive is going to be. You don't want to add this to places where it shouldn't be, just the area where the spoiler is going to go. This is to add extra bonding. It cleans the area, takes off all the grime that you have on there, and it also makes it extremely sticky, so that way this can be fully secured. They do provide full 3M on this on here, so let me go ahead and flip this over. This is real 3M, none of that fake stuff on there. This is made in Korea, so really beautiful design here. Real carbon fiber. You guys can see the weaves on here. This is not really hydro dip or anything like that. Really top-notch quality. So let's go ahead and get started. Basically what I like to do is kind of peel this off, some of it, put it on the opposite side, and then kind of place the spoiler again, kind of position everything is good. We'll start peeling that ribbon off and then pressing. But first things first, want to go ahead and clean the area. You can clean it with alcohol or some type of a cleaning solution on here. Then we're gonna go ahead and clean this one more time with the adhesion promoter, and we can go ahead and get started. All right, so I have the area nice and clean here. I went ahead and I cleaned it, wiped it down with a microfiber towel. So now we're gonna go ahead and grab the adhesion promoter here and clean the area. So I wanna go ahead and clean basically right where that curvature is on the back end, all the way down. This is where the spoiler is gonna lay over, so that's the area you want to go ahead and clean, and also pass this adhesion promoter. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit. So you guys can see, even though I cleaned it, there's still some grime on there. This is perfect. You really do need this when you're adding a 3M product onto the trims on here, as this is the essential step to secure a 3M product. So there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and have it cleaned. I'm gonna position the spoiler one more time, then we're gonna go ahead and do the peeling, press, and finalize this install. All right, guys, I went ahead and I aligned it. As you guys can see, it goes with this curvature. You're gonna see a little bit, about a 1-2 millimeter off of here. From the top view though, you're gonna see this line here. It literally lines up with the curvature of the trunk. So I already have that already aligned. I have that on the other end, so I'll go ahead and I'll show you as well, and then we'll go ahead and start peeling that ribbon, press, hold, and we'll finalize that install. All right, so you guys can see, same thing here. I already went ahead and started peeling off the ribbon from the front side and on the back side. So what we're gonna do is gonna start peeling and pressing at the same time. This is already on here, holding on real good. So let's go ahead and start peeling and pressing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling on this, and we're gonna go ahead and continue all the way towards the end. All right, here we go. Go ahead and continue peeling here. All right, and we're gonna press. Press on there, and we're gonna go ahead and finalize that install and complete that, and then I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys how it looks. I'll pull the car out and show you guys the final product on how that came out. All right guys, installation is complete. So here's an angle from the bottom top view. As you guys can see, it's a very subtle little kickback, and it looks amazing. Quality, it's top notch. I mean, you can't beat this, guys. Top quality in Korea, and nothing like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out and give you guys a further view, and we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. All right guys, here you have it, fully installed. Slight glare on here, there's a lot of sun on there, but at least you guys get an idea on how it looks from the back end, from a nice, angle, straight on view. So small kickback on the top. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.